whenever I conducted meetups, my amazing subscribers, they used to take so much of time in their life and make such portraits of me and give it to me. Doesn't matter how the portrait looks, but it is the intent that means a lot. By the way, in case I do a meetup in future, please don't give me such portrait. It is actually so weird to take my own portrait and put it somewhere in my room. Yeah, you can give me a chocolate or not chocolate, we are on a diet. Give me a protein bar. Give me protein powder. Just kidding. I don't need all that. I don't know when I'm gonna do a meetup again, but I was trying to clean and morning it fell and the portrait moved a little bit to the right. I need to set it right. Meanwhile, let's start the vlog with the intro. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Hope everyone is doing great. That's a new perfume I got. Sorry, not perfume. It's called cologne. Did you guys know that there's a difference between a cologne, a perfume and a deodorant? I didn't know this before. It seems a perfume usually has higher concentration of oil, typically around 20 to 30%. Cologne has around 2 to 3%. This is a cologne by Ustra. It's called Basecamp. You guys have to definitely try it out. It's got a very unique fragrance. When you meet someone, if you're looking good, amazing, but if you're smelling bad and you're stinking, pura impression will go down. And there is a reason this is named Basecamp. Now, though most of us stay in the cities and towns, our hearts, at least my heart, is always in the mountains because that is where the beauty is. And that is the reason every biker wants to go to the mountains. And when you go to the mountains, you can observe that there's a different fragrance there due to the cleanliness there, a lot of trees, because of the clean air. This is something that reminds me of that. When you smell it, the first picture that hits me is definitely the mountains. It is loaded with literally 3 times more fragrance than a deodorant. And the best thing is there's no gas. This cologne will make sure you smell great the whole day. It's a 100 ml classy bottle. The top notes have the bergamot, lemon and lime. The body notes are pepper, agate, cypress and rosemary. While the bottom notes are cedar, amber and rich musks. Best part is it is suitable for all skin types. I'll be putting a link in the description. Someone came. You can use my coupon code Shriman20, get 20% extra off. Also do check out the Ustra app for exclusive offers. Oh yeah, I'm coming. Little bit crumpled and crushed, but I hope the accessories inside are intact. By the way, these are accessories for the BMW. Anyways, I think this is kind of, I'm not sure, but I think this will be the last accessory for the bike. Apart from this, actually, much before going to Ladakh, I've received one more accessory which I did not unbox till now. Seriously, A7 S3 Mazaka. It is literally almost pitch dark here. My naked eye can't see what you're seeing right now. Worth the price. Anyways, I need to clear all these things under the stairs. There are my riding boots. Here are my panniers. There are 2 boxes over here. As you can see, Niche wala is the accessory that I'll unbox later. It's definitely a special accessory. And upar wala boxes, clear water lights. Clear water lights will definitely get installed in the next week for sure. I've been saying this every time I take out the BMW. But this time I'm gonna do it because rides are gonna start soon. Yes, in the next at least 10 or 15 days. In October, to pakka ride to hai. This literally came from, I think, Spain. Pre-cut PPF. Okay, so this is the PPF kit for, you see this, buttons, like literally PPF for buttons. Oh, by the way, let me show you this wrap. This goes over the tank. For now, just checking everything is there or not. There is some more PPF over here. Oh, this is the PPF for the windscreen. Actually, there is already PPF on the bike, especially on the tank area, especially on the... Today I think there is a flight bun, so trains are going to disturb my vlog. This is kind of gonna change the color of my bike a little bit. Okay, so basically this wrap is for the tank. Right now it looks like proper HP color with this blue and red and kind of metallic silver GS that is written over here. This one is a proper matte finish. Actually it looks good, dude. But I understood one thing, I cannot fix it myself. I need to take it to the service center because they'll have to remove all these panels. You see the wrap is much bigger than the tank itself, which means this might go inside like that under these panels. But yeah, actually I like it. I thought it's gonna be a mismatch between this color and this color. This wrap is from a company called Signature Custom Designs. In case you own a BMW, you want some wraps and all that, you can visit their website. Very high quality wraps and PPF. Pre-cut, everything is pre-cut. So basically this one goes there and this tank PPF goes over here. You see this, a little bit of scratches and all that. Don't worry about it. That is a PPF scratch. If you remember, when I got the bike, I actually got a PPF done on it. I didn't do the entire bike, but there is PPF over here, this whole area, the headlight and over the windscreen. Let this PPF get ruined with scratches and swirl marks. Then I'll remove this and we have a second set ready. And obviously, it doesn't matter how big of a bike you have. If you don't have the right horn, people are not going to listen, especially on the highway. City mein key kick chale jayega, but if you're on the highway, your key kick will not work. That is what we ordered right now. Actually, 2 very important things I've ordered. This is kind of complimentary. At last, even animals are not leaving me alone. This is the Denali horn. I like the sound of it. Quality is okay. Nothing fancy here, just a blower horn. That's the bracket. But for a BMW, you can't just take the horn and plug it in like that. You need something like this. You see these 2 points, these attached to the horn, and this directly goes into the BMW socket. So everything is clutter-free, clean and nice at BMW standards. हमारा Tiger में तो typical Desi style, remove the wire, ऐसा निकालो और put it to the horn. That's it. But BMW fancy stuff. And also I got a small chain wax. We don't need chain wax. BMW is shaft driven now. We don't need maintenance till almost, I think, 30,000 kilometers or something. After that, big kharcha will be there. They'll remove the shaft and service it, fill it with again some oil. I'm not sure about it and very bad at technicalities. But don't forget, we have a street twin. Uska to chain hai. You hear that? By the way, rains have kind of stopped here in Hyderabad, and that is the reason we're planning rides in the next 10 or 15 days. I'm not sure. I'll keep you guys posted. Also, till then, you can tell me where to travel. Something that we can do 6 to 7 days. Maybe 7th day we have to be back home, something like that. But once in a year, or at least twice in a year, I'll do a big ride, like at least 10 to 15, minimum 15 days of a ride. So now rain has again started, though it is sunny. You can see that it is a little bit sunny, but it's still raining. We are in the transition phase right now, going from monsoons to proper winter, and winter is my favorite season. You have nice sunshine, it is cool, perfect for riding. Now no one is there to disturb. Who is gonna disturb Sriman? Rain god. By the way, in case you guys have watched my video in the last 2 or 3 days, you know that it's my dad's birthday. I mean, belated happy birthday. But today we are going out because last 2 days it was raining heavily. We couldn't step out. Finally, we all got free today. Everyone is free, so we thought we'll go out, maybe for a dinner, mall and all that. By the way, I keep saying this, right? Sriman started wearing his old clothes that are almost 6 years old. They're fitting now because he lost a lot of weight. No, that is gone now. Now it's become opposite. This is a new shirt and it's not fitting me. Not because I put on weight, but I bulked up. I asked my trainer Zishan, please don't make me put on muscle, but his aim is to put on some muscle on me. Zishan, if you have so much of fascination of putting on muscle, please you put on. मेरे ऊपर क्यों डाला muscle? Look at this. पूरा एकदम खतरनाक tight हो गया shirt, especially at the arms. I'm looking like proper Garshana police officer. If I do this little bit more na, pakka it will tear. And I told Zishan, let's stop working on my arms. Legs are the first priority. I just picked up the camera to say something, and huge flight. Is this the first time you're sitting on my bike?
Yeah, exactly.
On the delivery day, did you sit?
I don't remember exactly.
Even I don't remember. What do you think about my bike? You keep watching my videos and all that every day. First view, second view.
Actually, this was my dream bike. When I was in America, I was just crossing through a mall. So it was parked there. I sat on that for half an hour.
You never mentioned this to me, dream bike and all.
My friends, they were doctors. They were saying, "Hey, क्या हो गया पागल हो गया क्या है वो गाड़ी?"
He's making up a story. This is not real.
Absolutely.
He never told me this is a dream bike.
I have a photograph also. I can show you. BMW.
If I knew that before, I would ask you for a gift.
Oh, definitely. Why not today? Even today. Anything you want. No, you are giving.
Maybe we don't have any dreams anymore.
No dream?
We are content now. We just put on accessories, more and more accessories on the bikes. I'm happy with that.
Okay, what accessory you want, I'll give you. I'll get
BMW accessories are very expensive, which means you can literally get one more bike, choda sa bike. Aether and all you can buy with BMW's accessories, that expensive.
That stage is gone. Now, whatever you demand, come on, we can get it.
You said this is your dream bike. Why didn't you ever ride it?
No? I bought Bullet.
Oh, Dad had Bullet first, not the classic, the actual Bullet.
Original. Yeah.
Original, 1968 or something.
Yeah.
It was there till almost 2000, I think 2000. Yes, 2000. 2001, we sold, we did a blunder. We sold that and we got a Passion. Hero Honda Passion is also good, but you can't compare it to that legendary Bullet.
There's a reason why I sold. Even you have a memory. I had a knee problem. It was
I remember that kick system. It was so hard. If it kicks you back, I think even in the current Royal Enfields you have that. I don't know what happens in the engine technically, but it kicks you back so hard that he had knee injuries with that. And he was so confident about the bike that he used to leave the bike on the road without the lock and used to leave because no one could start it except him. You need to be like really monstrous for that.
It was super actually hefty and the sound, I don't hear nowadays.
Yeah, current generation Royal Enfield, you don't have that kind of a sound.
It used to give
Oh yeah, massive bass. I remember he parking that on center stand, and when he started it, it used to move because of the sound. Dug, 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 dug.
That's it, yeah.
Amazing it was. Anyways, one day we'll take this for a ride. Dad will ride it once. Maybe in the next couple of vlogs we'll do that.
Yeah,
I'll go on street twin. He'll ride the BMW. Actually, it looks more intimidating, but trust me, this is very easy to ride if you compare it to the street twin. Street one with that ace handlebar is a little bit tricky now.
Hey, no problem.
Seen a video where a short girl, UK mein, she rides a BMW, she wheelies it. So it's all about confidence, mindset. So today we are celebrating Dad's birthday. One puke, 1 hour later, we reach the mall. Nowadays I have to give update like this. One puke, 2 pukes later.
तो रोज का हो गया हमारा.
पूजा का तो रोज का हो गया. मेरा driving has also improved so much and we are getting so much of mileage these days. Getting so much of mileage because I'm driving so slowly. Like full peak traffic also we got 10 kilometers per liter. Thank you, Naisha. So I can't take this huge camera inside the mall, so good luck to the iPhone 11 Pro. Naisha, where are you? See here. I saw you. You were about to fall. One really weird thing about Naisha is whenever we ask her, did you have fun? Naisha, did you have fun? She'll say no.
But she'll have the most amount of fun.
She'll have the most amount of fun. She's throwing everything here and there. Remember, we used to come here so much. This is JVK1 mall.
Movies, popcorn.
Array, we miss all that now so much. We miss that like crazy.
Yeah, because with
Sit in a nice movie and crunch on what is it? Caramel popcorn. Dabba
cheese
khao.
popcorn. He liked caramel, I like cheese.
What do you like? Don't like anything?
She likes.
Hey, sabke liye no. When will you learn yes? What I realized is she can't say yes. She can't say sa for now. I think in the next 4 or 5 months she should be saying it.
But very soon she will.
She will say it. That's what 1-2 months. Aisha, seriously tell me, did you have fun? Did you have fun? Arre.
Oh my god. Wow. God, look at this.
Mine is healthy food. Yours is Raj Kachori.
Raj Kachori is very healthy. बहुत healthy होता है.
What is this?
Aloo tikki, my favorite.
Aloo tikki. Once again we are back to the diet. So basically this is a sizzler. That's some green peas, some rice, not brown rice, that's white rice, basa fish. These people are enjoying full on. All round, goal. Talking about this, not your face. That is Raj Kachori. Rani Kachori kidhar hai? Dad and mom also having same thing. Raj Kachori. Naishu is having everything basically. Naishu, we got your game.
You don't tell her now, baby.
Why?
Tomorrow, why wait? Leave something.
Okay, see how. Okay, tomorrow we'll show you. Time to sleep actually.
Your papa was waiting.
Oh shit, she's coming.
Tomorrow you could wait.
Naishu, tomorrow, okay?
If you show us everything.
Nothing, we got a small toy for her, a learning toy. Basically, you press A, B, C, D on it. It says the letter and it also says A for aeroplane, B for ball, something like that. Something for her to learn. Actually, this is there in the iPad as well. But then Apple products, they unlocked only A, B, C. If you want from D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, you need to pay. And it costs almost 2000 rupees. Instead, get 1000 rupees, a physical device, at least screen time come ho jayega. Much better. Anyways, for some reason, if you have liked this video, do hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Next vlog, hopefully, we'll fix all the accessories that are lying over here. No one guessed about these shoes here. I'll tell you for sure this is Nike, but Nike mein which one? Something that I like to have in my collection. Like I told you, my collection is not like a super amazing collection, but just started. Hopefully by next year, version 2 when we make, that should be amazing.